Moving on, I went ahead and plugged it into the wall here. And when you do, initially there are no LED lights lit. And after about 30 seconds, you'll see the power light and the signal light light up, and they'll both be the color of blue. Alright, let's go ahead and move on to the computer here, where we're going to go into the configuration and configure the range extender. By first locating the SSID, it should be broadcasting since we plugged it in and it has power. So the TP-Link GUI interface. If yours doesn't, here's the link, and I'll also put this in the video description. Area as well. Now, once this is open and you have it being displayed on your Windows internet browser of your choosing, go ahead and type in a password here. Now, keep in mind that this is a password that you're creating right this moment. You're making it up. It needs to be 8 characters, letters, and numbers, and confirm that both of these are the same once you've typed it in twice. And before we click on start, I want to just point out that there's an app in the App Store and Google Play, so that you can utilize those if you wanted to help you manage this extender. Alright, let's click on start, and once you do, it starts scanning all the available networks that it can find within your neighborhood. And in this case, it found quite a number. Specifically, it's finished, and it comes back and it wants you to confirm rather, that the 2 passwords are correct, and they were, so I clicked on confirm. And then I get this next screen that allows me to change my SSID for the extender. So for the 2.4 gigahertz network and the 5 gigahertz network, I can either leave them the same as my router SSIDs are, or I can make them distinctly different. And in my case, I'm going to make them different so I know which is which. And I did a EX2 and a X5 here, and that way I know which one's which, and I can separate them from my SSID on my router. But you can leave them the same, it's up to you, or change them to whatever you like. Once you've decided and you're finished, go ahead and click on save. And it'll go ahead and apply all the settings that you just did. And once that's completed, it will take a few seconds, I don't know, up to about 30 seconds to a minute. And I just want to point out that we are going through the quick setup process here, not the advanced setup. The advanced setup is very similar. It's the same number of options, maybe a few different ones. However, if you just want to set up your extender very quickly, this is the best route, going through the quick setup and going through the process that I showed you here. Now, once it's finished saving all the settings to the extender, you get congratulations, and we can go ahead and click on the Wi-Fi icon in the taskbar, and then find our SSID for the Skybird EX5, which is the 5 gigahertz. Or if you wanted to, you can connect to the Skybird EX2, which is the 2.4 gigahertz network. And once you do, go ahead and click on connect, and then you're prompted for a Wi-Fi password. And this is your existing Wi-Fi password that you use on your network. It hasn't changed. And once you click on next, it will make a connection, and then it shows here that I'm connected and secured on the Skybird 5 EX5, which is the 5 gigahertz bandwidth on the extender. One last thing, it does say congratulations on the screen there, and click on finish. That will close out the TV settings window. At this point, you can open up the internet browser, go to the internet, or utilize anything you like to access the internet, and you're good to go. But before I end this video, here's a final image of the Wi-Fi extended and being utilized. As you can see, the power light, the signal light, the 2.4 gigahertz light, and the 5 gigahertz light are all lit and they're solid. If you would like to see more videos like this one, please click subscribe and leave a like if you like.